channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an Hermes lipstick unboxing. I know, I can't believe it. I was one of the people, I jumped on the bandwagon and I purchased one of these. Are you ready for this? $67 lipsticks. I have never in my life done anything like that before as far as like lipsticks are concerned. I mean, I definitely enjoy makeup, but a lipstick for $67, I got sucked into it. It came with a cute little box and a little dust bag and the packaging, so I definitely got sucked in. So I did purchase one of those. I have to be honest, a lot of the shades that they came out with were a little bright and not really my style, but the shade I ended up picking, I actually got it from the Nordstrom website. It was a really beautiful mauve tone shade, which is what eventually sold me. So in no way am I telling you need to go spend $67 on a lipstick, but I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing, kind of show you the packaging and all that other fun stuff. So I do have an Hermes lipstick unboxing, which I am going to get to later on in the video, but I thought with this video I would also take the time to do a luxury beauty haul with you guys as well. I don't have a ton of products to share because obviously these products can be a little pricey, but I saw a couple things that I added to my cart. I don't know what I was thinking that day. I think I was just a little sucked into the packaging because you will see a lot of these products have the most beautiful packaging, and I am a complete sucker when it comes to that kind of stuff, just looking at your vanity and seeing it sitting there. So hopefully the products are as good as the packaging, but we shall see. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see me unbox a couple luxury beauty products, including the Hermes lipstick, then keep watching. Okay, so like I stated, I will get to the Hermes lipstick later on, but I want to share a couple other things that I have as well. I also have something from Gucci I got as well. So let's first start. I want to share something that I purchased from Chanel. So as you know, I do, or you might not know, I have this hand cream right here by Chanel. It's the La Creme Main Chanel and it's white. So I happened to be perusing the Nordstrom website and I saw it in black. It's the La Lift La Creme Main hand cream, and this is supposed to, believe it or not, help with wrinkles in your hands. And one thing I've learned that as you age, thing I try to do is always protect my skin, like using sunscreen on my face, because people can always tell by your face, your neck, and your hands how old you are. So I really liked that this has a natural licorice extract that is supposed to help with fine lines. So anyway, so again, here it is right here. It is a beautiful black packaging, and because of the lighting, the sun is actually going down because I'm filming this in the evening time. You might not be able to see it, so I will be sure to include inserts, but here is the white one and here is the black one. I just love how it has the black and pink. I think that looks really pretty, but you just twist the cap like this and then you just squeeze it and the hand cream comes out like this. But the thing I really like, other than the cute little egg style, is I like that it's not a greasy formula. You know how sometimes when you put hand creams on, it's really greasy, and then you go to touch something and you get the lotion on other things, it absorbs really quickly. It has a nice smell, but not overpowering, and you can see my hands aren't greasy or anything. It's just enough to moisten your hands, and it's nice that it can help with the fine lines as well. So I will place the items back here. The next item that I picked up was actually, this is a lipstick, and I wrote down the name of it because it is kind of long. It's the Chanel Rouge Allure Ink Fusion, and I got it in the shade Mauve Nude. Now let me tell you what made me pick this up. I was watching Mia Mine on Instagram, and she used this on her lips and it looks so beautiful. So again, it's in the shade Mauve Nude, and if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know how much I love my mauve tones. That's my favorite. This did retail for, let's see, $38. So again, it is pricey, but again, we are talking about luxury makeup in today's video, so keep in mind everything is going to be a little pricey. Is it necessarily worth the price? I don't know, but you know, we're not going to worry about that in today's video. So here it is. It's just a little tiny packaging. It says Chanel here, and then it has the beautiful Chanel logo at the top. So this is a waterproof formula, and the wand here has a pointed tip, and I like that because then when you do apply it to your lips, it's going to fit to your lips, so it's going to be easy to apply. You can see that beautiful swatch right there. It's right up my alley. So I have a little bit of gloss on. And go ahead and take it off, and then let me go ahead and apply this. Now, one thing I did notice right off the bat, it looks like it's not going to be transfer proof. If you touch it, you are going to get a little bit on your fingers. So see how the wand is? So what you can do is the pointed part helps you like outline your lips. So you can outline it first. Okay, right off the bat, I'm noticing it's a really, really lightweight formula. And I am all about lightweight formulas. I don't want something that's really heavy. There are a lot of liquid lipsticks that I like because they stay, but sometimes they can feel heavy on the lips. This feels really light. Now, I will tell you, it does transfer, you can see, but I really like the color. It's a really pretty, nice, everyday shade. So, happy about that. The next thing I picked up was by YSL, and I'm not gonna lie, it was definitely the packaging that sold me on this. It is the All Hours powder, and this was $48. Now this is actually an all-over face powder. It's a mattifying powder that's supposed to help if you're oily, but I actually got it in the shade B65, which is a bronze shade, but you can see the beautiful, it's black packaging with the YSL gold logo. You can see it's just thick and luxurious. You open it up, it comes with a nice mirror, and then you can see the YSL logo is embossed. It's very, very beautiful. It feels nice and creamy when I put it on, and let me do a little swatch here. So you can see the swatch right there. Again, this is an all-over setting powder, but I thought I already have an all-over setting powder like to mattify my skin that I really like. I actually use the Maybelline and I love it. It's the Maybelline Superstay. So I can never have enough bronzer, so I wanted to get this one. I think it's going to be good. I did purchase another bronzer, which I'm going to try on later in the video. That's the one I'm really excited about, but this feels really creamy and smooth. And again, you cannot beat the beautiful YSL luxurious packaging. Let's stick with YSL. This one, I was 100% sold on the packaging. Like, I didn't even care, this is horrible, but I didn't even care what was in it. I just had to have this packaging. It is so beautiful and pink. It is the YSL All Over Face Powder. Once again, $48, but are you ready for this? Look at this. It is like a baby pink with gold. I actually took a picture of this on Instagram the other day, and someone was messaging me, was like, oh my gosh, what is that? I need that. And it's this. It is so beautiful. So it's pink. It has the gold logo. It's just thick. And then let me show you what it looks like. And this is just one shade. It has the YSL logo. It's just one shade, but it's universally flattering, and what it's supposed to do is just give you a nice glow to the skin. So I'm going to take an all-over powder brush, and you're just supposed to apply it over top of your other powder, or you don't have to apply it over top of your other powder. It can just be over foundation, and it's just supposed to give you like a nice overall glow. But honestly, this sounds horrible. I should have paid more attention to what's in here, but I just saw this beautiful packaging and I thought about how nice it would look on my vanity, and that's what made me pull the trigger. I know that's horrible and I shouldn't do that, but I can't help myself. And like I said, I'm such a sucker for packaging. And when I mention the Gucci product, which I'm so excited to show you, you guys are gonna die. Okay, I have something I got from Dior that I want to mention, and then I'll do the Gucci, and then we'll do the Hermes lipstick. Okay, so you guys know one of my favorite blushes is the Dior Rosy Glow. It's this one right here. This is in the shade Petal. It is a beautiful, beautiful blush. I've been loving it for summer. Well, they also had a coral, but every time I checked the website, the coral was sold out. So I happened to go on the Sephora website, and I checked right before this video, and it is still available. And I found it. I'm so excited. This is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow. It is in the coral shade. So this packaging, you can see it just says Dior. And this is the most beautiful coral shade. I know it can look a little bit intimidating, but this looks great on people with deeper skin tone. Actually, really anybody, but it especially looks nice when you have a little bit of a tan too. So let me show you what it looks like. First, the packaging is just beautiful. You can see the little Dior logo embossed. So I'm gonna just take a blush brush and just put it on the apples of my cheeks. Such a nice blush. I was so excited to find this. You won't be sorry if you get either one of these. So again, here is the pretty pink one. And then once again, here is the coral. This particular blush only comes in 2 shades, but you can't go wrong with either. Next item was something from Gucci, and I was as excited about this as I was the Hermes lipstick. And oh my gosh, I'm like so excited to like unbox it with you. I saw it on the website and I could not believe how beautiful the packaging is. So let me stop rambling and show you. So first off, if you get it from the Gucci website, it's gonna come in a cute little dust bag, which you are paying for it. This is a whopping $62. Wait till you see the packaging. I haven't seen it in person yet, but I saw it in the picture and it looked beautiful. So let me just stop rambling. I got it in 03. It comes in a couple different shades, but you open it and it comes in its own little felt cover that says Gucci right here. And then are you ready for this? Look how beautiful. It's like a Tiffany blue, and I know there's going to be a little bit of a glare, so I will try to put an insert. This is like old Hollywood glam packaging. It is just so incredibly stunning. It's gold, it's thick, it has the Gucci logo, but I love turquoise. I'm a huge fan of turquoise, so this is just beautiful. And you open it and it has a mirror, and then there is the shade. Let me put my finger in it. Oh my gosh, so creamy. Let me show you what it looks like. Let me do like a little swatch. Okay, so you can see it right there. Really pretty. I've got to try it on my face. So first, let me show you. So you open it and it looks like this is refillable. And it comes with this little, oh my gosh, so cute. This little Gucci brush. Oh, so pretty, which I don't think I'm going to use. I'll just use my bronzer brush, but oh my God, the packaging, this is to die for. So let me go ahead and let me take my bronzer brush and I'm going to use a little bit. And that goes on nice. It does have like a really nice floral scent, so be mindful of that if you don't like fragrances in your makeup. This does have a fragrance, but oh my gosh, I like how it goes on. Very nice. It's super creamy when I did a swatch, and oh, the packaging, so beautiful. Now, is it worth $62? I don't know if it's worth $62, but oh my gosh, where else are you going to get packaging like this? This is just stunning. So I checked the Gucci website and I think it is sold out now, but I was able to find it on Saks Fifth Avenue, and I'll try to find it on a couple other websites. So if you see anything in today's video that you're interested in, check the description box down below because I will try to link everything. But oh, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, so now it's time for the star of the show, even though I think a couple of those items are stars of the show too. I wanted to share those. Now let's get into the Hermes lipstick. Okay, I didn't get this from the Hermes website. I got it from the Nordstrom website. I'm sure if you got it from the Hermes website, it would come with like beautiful packaging and everything, but it just came from Nordstrom in this box. Like I said, I kind of halted on buying it because I didn't see any colors I liked until I checked the website recently and I saw this beautiful mauve, so I'm excited. So I got it in, this is the Rouge Hermes Satin Lipstick in 13, which is beige Kalahari. So you open it. And once again, you guys, this is a $67 lipstick, which I think is absolutely crazy, but you have to keep in mind that you're paying for the name Hermes. I'm sure you guys are familiar with Hermes. They're most known for their luxury handbags, the Birkin and the Kelly. Those are like our iconic handbags, which I don't know that I'll ever own one of those because those are like super expensive, like tens of thousands of dollars, but they're definitely like the higher end of the luxury market. So they decided to join the beauty market as well. So here is the packaging. It comes in its own little Hermes box. So cute. It slides open like this. And sorry about the lighting. The sun is going down. So let me see if I can adjust it a little bit. Okay. So, and it also comes with its own little dust bag here. All right, and this is what it looks like. So very plain yet elegant. It's a striped package. It has the white, it has the black and the gold, and then the top is the coin. It's the H. It's just like really beautiful. And again, I have it in the shade 13. And the thing that's neat is you open it and it's magnetic, which is really cool. But this color, again, is a really like mauve-y tone. Again, that's like my favorite. And this is Satin. So I know that I already have one on, but I want to try this on for you. Before the sun goes down, let me go ahead and try to put this on. Okay, so that's a pretty color, but I do have to say, when it initially goes on my lips, it doesn't like glide on like I was hoping it would. I'm a little disappointed. It kind of goes on like a little scratchy. I like the color, I like the packaging. The lipstick does feel comfortable, like it doesn't feel too heavy. It's obviously gonna transfer because it is a lipstick. It's not like a liquid lip. Oh gosh, I don't know if it's worth the money. I mean, it's so incredibly beautiful, but I don't know. I guess I was expecting a little more. I guess I was expecting it to kind of feel like butter when it glides on, but it's still beautiful. I love the presentation of it, and I love the color, but it does feel a little bit scratchy. I'm not sure why it feels that way. This comes in a lot of different colors. There's a really like bright orange that I know is like really popular, but I opted for this mauve tone. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, it's fun to do stuff like this now and again if it can just kind of take your mind away from things. Obviously, luxury items are not what matters in life. Your family, your friends, your health, all of that is what really matters. But sometimes things like this are a nice escape. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that little subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you join me over there. As usual, I will be sure to link everything in this video down below. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.